Before beginning with the video, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to stay updated of my latest videos. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Best of PowerPoint, and today I'll be showing you how to create this beautiful picture reveal animation effect in PowerPoint 2016. This is a very easy effect, and even if you are a beginner to the software, you will be easily able to create this amazing animation effect. So let's get started with the tutorial. Create a new slide and insert a rectangle shape in the slide. Select and drag this rectangle bar to the extreme right of the slide and place it out of the slide. Now insert your desired image in the slide. Do take care that your image should be in the portrait form only and not in the landscape form. Place the image to the right side of the slide. Now duplicate the rectangle bar and place the second rectangle bar to the left of the image just at the point from where the image starts, such that when you send the rectangle bar to the back of the image, it should completely get hidden. For now, keep the rectangle bar in the front of the image only. And now it's time to begin with the animation process. Select the first rectangle bar which is placed at the extreme right of the slide and add Fly in Entrance effect to it. Open the effect options and change the direction from bottom to from left. Under the timings tab, set the duration of animation to 2 seconds and click OK. Now select the second rectangle bar and add Fly in Entrance effect to this shape too. Open the effect options and change the direction from bottom to from right. Set the duration of animation to 1.2 seconds and also select Start after Previous. Now right click this rectangle bar and select Send to Back so that it gets hidden behind the image. Now select the image and add Wipe Entrance effect to it. Open the effect options, select Start with Previous and set the duration to 1.3 seconds. Also, change the direction of the effect from bottom to from right. So we are done with the animation process, and now let's have a look on our final effect. Perfect. So that's it guys. I hope that this video was helpful to you. Please like and share the video, and please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching and see you in my next video.